Hello friends, this is Amit Parmar and welcome back to Modern JavaScript. There are two types of languages. One is statically typed and second one is dynamically typed. When the compiler finds the type of variable at the compile time rather than the runtime is known as statically typed language. You will find such thing in the C language, C++, Java, C#, and so on. In this example, you will find two variables declared. One is integer, second is string. So compiler find that both variable data type at the time of compile. A type of variable defined at the time of code running is known as a dynamic type. You can store different data types over the time, like with JavaScript and some other languages. Let's take an example of JavaScript where two variables declared, one is string and second is integer, but their data type is unknown for compiler until it runs your code. Based on the previous example, we can say JavaScript is dynamic type or loosely typed scripting language. Variables are symbolic names for storing a value in an application. That value can be changed during the execution of program, but you must declare the variable before you use it. The name of variable is called an identifier. You can create a variable like with a where keyword in JavaScript, like where space variable name semicolon. There are some things you need to keep in mind before you declare the variables. A variable name must contain only letters, either capital or small, digits and symbols like dollar and underscore. Here are some examples. You can choose as per your requirement. You cannot start variable name with digits. Here are some examples. JavaScript is a case sensitive language, so the capital and small in variable name matters. When the strict mode is not on, you can create a global variable by just name and assign a value. It is allowed in previous JavaScript, but when you use strict mode, it will not allow to create global variables. It will fire an exception if the variable is not declared. You are trying to assign a value. Reserved keywords of JavaScript are not allowed in a variable name. Here are some examples. Try not to use keywords in your variable name. Using the camel case in your variable name is a good practice. Just make sure each letter of your each word is capital except the first one, and it makes your variable more readable. Modern JavaScript introduces a new keyword let, which will allow you to create variable. It is introduced in ECMAScript 2015, or you can say ES6. It is similar to the where keyword. The difference is only scope. You can find the link in descriptions for the more details of the where and let keyword. Const keyword allow you to create a constant variable. The constant variables are those whose value is assigned when it is created and will not be modified after it. If you are trying to modify that variable's value, it will give you an error. There are some misguiding of the const keyword. Actually, const keyword not define the constant values, but it defines the constant reference to the value. And because of this, the constant primitives values are not changed, as it's defined, but the properties of the constant object can be changed. Let's see it by example. Here we have created the constant variable whose value is primitive, but it will not allow to the change. But if you create a constant object with some properties, so it will allow you to change the properties value. Same thing happen when you are creating the constant array. You can change the particular indexed value. This is all about the variables. See you in the next video, and till then, share this video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.